GamesCard.net review. Is this gaming website legit? If you've come across GamesCard.net and are wondering whether it's a legitimate gaming website or potentially a scam, this review will walk you through what the site claims to offer, how it appears to work, and key factors to consider before you interact with it or enter any personal information. GamesCard.net is presented as an online gaming platform or marketplace that may offer game credits, digital cards, gift codes, or access to gaming-related content. The idea of finding game cards or digital codes in one place can be appealing, especially if the prices look attractive or the selection seems broad. Getting started with GamesCard.net usually involves browsing available cards or gaming products, selecting what you want, and proceeding to checkout by creating an account or entering payment details. A clean and intuitive layout can make browsing feel easy, but design alone isn't enough to confirm that a site is trustworthy or safe. One of the first things to check with any gaming website is transparency. Legitimate e-commerce or digital code stores clearly display business contact information, including email or phone support, a physical or registered business address, and detailed terms of service and privacy policies. If this information is missing, vague, or appears generic, that's a sign to be cautious. Payment security is another major factor. Trusted sites use secure payment gateways and display SSL encryption, a padlock icon in the browser's address bar, to protect your financial information during checkout. If payment options appear limited, unconventional, or lack clear security indicators, that raises concerns about safety. Customer reviews and feedback also provide valuable insight. Authentic reviews often mention specific delivery experiences, confirmation of digital codes, and interactions with customer support. Generic or overly positive testimonials with little real detail make it harder to judge whether the site delivers as promised. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, GamesCard.net may make a good first impression with a clean layout, organized product listings, and SSL encryption that helps protect your payment information during checkout if it's present. Easy navigation and clear categories can make browsing and selecting cards or codes feel straightforward. On the downside, the cons focus on credibility and verification. Limited or missing business transparency, such as unclear contact details or no physical address, makes it harder to confirm who operates the site. Few verifiable customer reviews and unclear delivery or redemption processes are warning signs worth noting. When customer support isn't easy to find or responsive, resolving issues around digital codes or purchases can become difficult. In summary, while GamesCard.net may look like a functioning gaming website at first glance, the lack of transparent business details and limited reliable feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you choose to interact with the site, protect yourself by using secure payment methods and seeking additional reviews or information to confirm the site's legitimacy before submitting any sensitive details.